Ever find a gadget so clever you wonder how you lived without it? Get ready for that feeling on repeat. Fun and unbelievably useful. And once you try them, there's no going back. From clever fixes to everyday upgrades, each one earns its spot. You'll wish you found them sooner. All products are linked in the description below. Running out of closet space? This foldable pants rack stacks multiple pairs in one sleek organizer. The non-slip hangers keep everything in place. No more pants sliding to the floor. It folds flat when not in use, freeing up space instantly. Great for small wardrobes, tight shelves, or travel packing. It's a simple way to keep your pants neat, visible, and ready to grab. Say goodbye to messy, exhausting plunging. This air-powered toilet plunger builds up pressure with a few pumps, then blasts through clogs in one powerful shot. It works on toilets, sinks, and drains. No twisting or splashing required. Comes with a wall-mounted rack to keep it off the floor and ready to grab. Strong, simple, and way more effective than your old plunger. Step into your game, literally. This full-body VR system gives you the power to walk, run, crouch, or jump just like you would in real life. Every move you make translates directly into the virtual world for total immersion. With 360-degree motion tracking, you're not just playing the game, you're living it. It's the closest thing to teleporting inside your favorite universe. Turn your room into a glowing dreamscape. This RGB Aurora Lamp swirls soft gradients of light that move and dance like jellyfish in water. It's sound activated, so it reacts to music, claps, or even your voice, creating a show that matches your vibe. The light is warm and gentle on the eyes, perfect for relaxing or setting a chill mood. Hang it, stand it, or carry it. It's fully rechargeable and USB powered. Tired of lifting heavy jugs just to pour a drink? This automatic dispenser does it for you. Just press your cup against the trigger and watch the hands-free pump deliver milk, juice, or any drink without spills. The anti-overflow design keeps counters clean, and the clear bottle lets you see exactly how much is left. It's fun, easy, and even kids can use it mess-free. Tired of toothpaste mess? This automatic dispenser keeps things clean, simple, and hands-free. Just peel and stick it to your wall and insert your toothpaste tube. To use, press your toothbrush into the slot, and it neatly applies the perfect amount. It's waterproof, and the inner parts pop out easily for a quick rinse. Smart, tidy, and super satisfying to use. Corners don't have to be wasted space. This 3-tier kitchen shelf fits snugly into any corner and rotates so you can access everything easily. Need a cleaner look? Just slide it closed and your items disappear neatly behind the panels. It's waterproof, compact, and works just as well in bathrooms too. A smart way to organize without clutter. Public restrooms? No stress. These disposable toilet seat covers give you full 360-degree protection, wrapping completely around the seat for total coverage. Just slide one on and sit comfortably. No touching, no worrying. They're lightweight, portable, and made for hassle-free travel. Stay clean and confident wherever you go. Moving heavy furniture doesn't have to feel like a workout. These rotating ABS caster wheels stick right onto the bottom of anything you need to shift. Just rinse, heat with a blow dryer, and press them on. In seconds, bulky items glide across the floor like they're on ice. They spin smoothly in every direction and make rearranging your space totally effortless. No tools, no stress, just easy movement. Shoelaces just got a serious upgrade. These colorful, elastic, no-tie laces snap right onto your shoes in seconds. No knots, no fuss. They stretch as you move, keeping things snug without ever feeling tight. Super easy to clean and built to last. They won't rip or fray like traditional laces. And the best part? They make every pair of shoes look way less boring. Your bed might be cleaner than it looks, but not cleaner than it feels. This portable Mite Remover uses strong suction, twin vibration pads, and a UV light bar to clear out dust and hidden pests. Just hold the button to power it on and let it shake the bugs loose while it cleans deep. It's USB-C rechargeable, easy to pack, and perfect for travel. Multiple modes make sure every surface gets the treatment it deserves. Cold toilet seats are a thing of the past. This rubber heater seat stays warm, soft, and flexible, making bathroom trips way more comfortable. It's waterproof, super bendy, and installs just like a regular toilet seat. No tools, no hassle, just instant coziness. A simple upgrade that makes a big difference, especially on chilly mornings. Turn playtime into creative time. This interactive drawing robot brings pictures to life by sketching them out, all on its own. Just slide in one of the drawing cards, and its little pen-holding arms get to work. Kids get to watch their favorite images appear, one stroke at a time. It's a fun and magical way to keep them learning while they play. Ready to feel like a superhero? This web launcher toy shoots out a stretchy, slimy string that grabs onto nearby objects so you can reel them in. It's fun, fast, and super satisfying to use. Perfect for playtime or showing off tricks. The web looks surprisingly realistic, making every launch feel like you're in your own action movie. Just aim, shoot, and swing into the fun. Cleaning the toilet doesn't have to be boring. This cactus-shaped silicone brush adds a pop of fun while getting the job done. Its bendy bristles reach deep into tricky corners without scratching, and the sturdy handle keeps your grip steady. It's simple to rinse off and stands out in the best way. Who knew toilet cleaning could look this cute? Who knew a faucet could be this cool? This one comes with a built-in LED screen that shows the water temperature as it flows. No surprises, no scalding. You can swivel the head and choose from 3 spray modes: soft waterfall, steady stream, or powerful rinse. Need extra reach? Just pull it out like a hose. It's high-tech convenience built right into your sink. Turn any room into your personal spa. This foldable adult bathtub opens up with a quick leg spread and unfolds into a comfy soaking spot. It even comes with a tray for your laptop, book, or snacks, so you can truly unwind. 3 handy attachments make filling and draining water super simple, portable, easy to clean, and perfect for when you need a bath without the full bathroom setup. Looks like an egg, works like a dream. This smart toilet does everything for you. Opens the lid, flushes, even heats the seat without you touching a thing. You can flush with your foot, and it finishes off with a warm air dryer so there's no need for paper. It's fully automatic and completely hands-free. Best of all, it's designed to save water without compromising on comfort. Add a touch of calm and creativity to your space. This dynamic sand painting creates mesmerizing moving landscapes every time you flip it. Just rotate the glass and watch as the sand drifts slowly, forming mountains, waves, or deserts in real time. It's like having a live piece of art that never repeats itself. Beautiful, relaxing, and guaranteed to make your home feel more artistic. It's a water bottle until it becomes an ice cube machine. This clever 2-in-1 tool lets you freeze water into perfectly shaped cubes, then pop them out with a simple press and pull. No touching, no odor, and no mess. Just let it sit for a few minutes after freezing, press the sides, open the lid, and pour. It's chill made simple and perfect for drinks on the go. Rain-soaked shoes? Not a problem anymore. This electric boot dryer folds up, flips out, and gets to work in seconds. Just plug it in, pop your shoes on top, and set the smart timer using the LED display. It gently heats and dries in as little as 10 minutes. No noise, no hassle. Compact and clever. It's the fast fix your damp footwear needs. Showering doesn't have to be boring. This thermostatic system turns your daily rinse into a full-on spa session. Installed overhead, it rains down comfort with multiple waterfall modes and a gentle mist option. You choose how you want to relax, whether that's a calming drizzle or a full-body downpour. Plus, it maintains your perfect water temperature the whole time, so no more sudden bursts of cold.